Are you looking for the best white noise machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best white noise machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SNOOZ White Noise Sound Machine. The SNOOZ Smart White Noise Machine sounds exactly like a real-life fan. Rather than looping the sound via a digital track, which can often come with vibrations or buzzing, the machine produces a natural sound thanks to an internal impeller fan that's circulating air within the machine. The easy-to-use interface is straightforward and consists of only 3 buttons, an on-off switch, low volume, and high volume, making it great for those who are overwhelmed by higher-tech options. While it only comes with one sound option, there are 10 volume levels to choose from. You can also turn the outer shell to adjust the tone of the sound to make it deeper or higher. The brand describes the tone as ranging from a gentle whoosh like a table fan to a low-pitched hum like an airplane cabin. SNOOZ has a free Bluetooth-connected app that allows you to adjust the volume and set a timer, but keep in mind that the app doesn't allow you to switch the tone. You'll need to physically turn the body of the outer shell to do that, though you may not have to do it often once find a tone you enjoy. Product details. Dimensions: 5.65 by 5.65 by 3.15 inches. Sound options: 1. Timer, yes. Alarm, no. Power, plug-in. Number 2. Housbay White Noise Machine. At under $50, the do-it-all Housbay White Noise Machine doesn't skimp on functionality. It comes with 26 soothing sounds, 7 fan sounds, 7 white noise sounds, and 12 nature sounds, like ocean, rain, chirping birds, and more. The main thing we love about this machine is how customizable the settings are. Yes, you can simply use it as a sound machine to help you relax and lull you to sleep, but you can also choose one of them to serve as your alarm clock sound, all while being able to adjust its volume to your liking. The nightlight aspect of this machine is also noteworthy and customizable. There are 9 light colors to choose from, and you can adjust the brightness of each according to your preferences. For instance, you can dim a red light if you're meditating, or brighten a green one for reading. The brightness of the actual time display can also be adjusted, or turned off completely, which helps avoid disruption if light bothers you, or you wake up frequently in the middle of the night and require a bit of light. If you're not a morning person, you might become one with this on your nightstand. It has a sunrise wake-up light that eliminates jarring alarm sounds. With this setting, the clock gradually gets brighter until it reaches peak brightness at the minute mark you set it to, for a more peaceful wake-up process. One thing to note is that the machine itself has a lot of buttons, which make it not as user-friendly as other models. Product details. Dimensions: 7.28 by 6.85 by 3.23 inches. Sound options: 26. Timer, yes. Alarm, yes. Power, plug-in. Number 3. Hatch Restore 2. Available in 3 colors, the Hatch Restore 2 comes with 24 sleep sounds, including white, brown, pink, and nature sounds, and 10 customizable light colors. It features a sunrise alarm to wake you up gradually, and you can choose to have it rise slower, say, for weekends, or faster, for early mornings. This also comes with an intuitive app that syncs with Amazon Alexa or Google Home and is preloaded with several programmable settings for alarm clocks, sunrise settings to help you wake up, and sunset settings to help you fall asleep. Design-wise, it has an egg-shaped body with a linen-type material that looks premium compared to other models. The brand kept things simple with just 2 buttons for sleeping and waking up. The absence of excess buttons gives the machine a clean, streamlined aesthetic. Here's where attention to detail comes into play. The sleep button is concave and the wake-up button is convex, offering a tactile way to find the buttons at night or in low-light conditions. Adjusting the volume and brightness requires taps along the left, right, top, and bottom of the machine. While the app doesn't offer free meditation, a premium membership unlocks access to meditation along with several features like additional sound options and song tracks to pair with your meditation practice. Product details. Dimensions: 2.43 by 1.5 by 5.31 inches. Sound options: 24. Timer, no. Alarm, yes. Power, plug-in. Number 4. QQV White Noise Sound Machine. This futuristic, sculptural-looking white noise machine has an aesthetically pleasing design that doubles as room decor. The machine has 11 light modes, 8 colors and 3 dynamic modes, illuminated on the curved underside area, which makes the effect a little more subtle. Note that you can adjust the brightness of the light as well. As for sounds, the machine comes with a wide range of 20 options split into 4 categories, so you'll definitely be able to quickly sift through and find one you like best. While there's no app, it has Bluetooth capabilities and lets you play music from your device to further aid your evening routine. We also like that you can manually operate the machine via the included remote to adjust the volume and light color, as well as set the timer and choose your desired sound. Something to keep in mind is that if you plan on using the timer setting, the time display will automatically disappear once you've reached the end of the timer. Product details. Dimensions: 5.25 by 0.2 by 5.09 inches. Sound options: 20, timer, yes, alarm, no, power, battery. Number 5. Nanit Sound Plus Light Machine. With features that grow with your child, the Nanit Sound Plus Light Machine is great for both babies and children. It comes with 11 sound options: birds, wind, and waves in addition to white noise, and 9 light options. The buttons to adjust the brightness and volume are located on the back of the machine, giving it a sleeker look. It has a one-tap on-off button on the top, making it easy for kids to use, and various customizable capabilities that let you set preferences for night feedings, bedtime stories, or crib time. The app is helpful for parents and caregivers to navigate the machine's sound, volume, and brightness settings without having to physically be in the room. Within the app, you're also able to set up convenient routines for waking up and winding down, as well as view the temperature and humidity in the room. The machine can be plugged into the wall or battery-powered. Battery life is up to 8 hours. The flexibility makes it easy to travel with. The OK to Wake light and accompanying tune is a visual and audible cue for your child, which can be helpful if you're looking to establish healthy sleep routines. Overall, the sound machine is great for children who need help falling asleep and staying asleep. Just note that the brightness of the white light can't be adjusted. Product details. Dimensions: 3.15 inches. Sound options: 11, timer, no, alarm, yes, power, battery or plug-in.